Okay, boys and girls, today we are talking about ordering adjectives. And ordering adjectives, it's kind of fun a little bit, but you don't even realize that you're doing it when you're doing it. The way we speak, we order things in a specific way, and you just kind of learn to do that over the years of your life. And now you're going to come to realize that it's actually something that is like almost a grammar rule about how you should organize them. So, lots of times we might want to describe something and we use more than one adjective to describe a noun. We might say that, you might look at a kitten and say, oh, look how little and cute it is. You have little and cute. So you have those, you have a cute little kitten. You have those two adjectives that are describing the kitten. So right now on this first screen, we have kind of the way you should order adjectives. And you see that it says, the first thing you talk about is the quantity opinion. Your opinion, we all know that opinion is how you feel. So that's words like beautiful, smart, funny, silly, rude, annoying, boring, those words that are describing it, but it's in your opinion. So somebody else might not think that the kitten was cute. They might just think that maybe they think the kitten's ugly. I don't know. It's your opinion. Then we add size, age, shape, color, origin. Origin's where it comes from, whether it's a country or a state or a city, or a place in general. Material, what it's made from, how it's, what material it is, whether it's cotton or polyester or metal or wood. And then the purpose and what it's used for. So we're going to do some examples here. And I have this tractor here. And so if I wanted to describe the tractor, I might say a large, new, green tractor. So the first thing I have to look at my list. And again, that sheet, the first page that we saw on here, the first slide, you can print that out. There's a file on Schoology. You can have that with you when you do your activities. So you have large because of size, new because it's age, and green because of color. And if I said a green, large, new tractor, it kind of just sounds off a little bit. You can realize it. And we're going to practice that at the end of the slides. Our next one, we have this beautiful rainbow cupcake, in my opinion, and I might use the word one beautiful rainbow cupcake. So one, because it's a quantity, how much of something. Beautiful, because it's my opinion. You might not think it's beautiful. And rainbow, because it's a color. Next, we have this little piglet, and my sentence here says, look at this cute little baby piglet. So cute is, again, my opinion. Little is a size, and baby is the age. Piglet. Again, looking at this, you don't have to use all of those things. We're not asking you to put like 10 adjectives. We're just saying whichever ones you choose to make sure they're in the specific order. Here we have socks. It says, check out my comfy. Again, opinion, you might not think they're comfy. You might think they're itchy or uncomfortable. New, which is the age. Fuzzy, and I use fuzzy as material because they're fuzzy material, socks. And you might not always know the material, so if you use the word like soft or the words maybe rough or something like that, that might be describing the material depending on what you're talking about. And my last example is we have some egg rolls here, and it says, last night I had 5 number delicious, again, my opinion, Chinese, that's where they're from, it's the origin, egg rolls. So now we're going to look at some sentences that don't really make sense. And I have this one, it says, a German old beautiful car. So if I look at my list here that I have, I know that, first of all, my opinion needs to go first, and that's beautiful. So I need to say a beautiful, then I look down my list, and then it should be, okay, next one is the age, so I need to have old, and then the origins where it's from, and it's from Germany, so German car. So let's see. A beautiful old German car. Some red big apples. I still can keep some, so it's kind of how many, it's more of like a quantity. And then I'm looking at size, then color. So some big red apples is what you should have. Now let's look at the next one. You think about it in your head. Thai delicious food. Think about what you should say. So you should say delicious Thai food. Delicious is your opinion. Thai is the origin, where it's from. This one's a little bit tricky. It has a lot more in it. 4 antique silk Egyptian gorgeous scarves. What comes first? You can go down your list on your page. Keep moving down the list so you can see which one comes next in the list, in the order. Okay, you should have said 4 gorgeous antique Egyptian silk scarves. So 4 is your number, gorgeous is your opinion, antique is your age, Egyptian is your origin, and silk is your material. And the last one is American brand new brown shoes. Doesn't make sense. Think about how you would rephrase it. You should have said brand new brown American shoes. Brand new is going to be your age, brown is your color, and American is the origin. So now you're just going to need to do your activity for today and keep that sheet handy. That was our first slide. Keep that file handy because that'll help you order everything the way it should be ordered, okay? Good luck.